In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the eBay app on your phone. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting, or just taking a break from online shopping, logging out of your eBay account can be a quick and simple process. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you can do this without any hassle. To begin, you'll need to open the eBay app on your mobile device. Once you've located the app on your home screen or in your app drawer, give it a tap to launch it. You'll notice that the app opens up to your home page, filled with all those tempting deals and items you've been keeping an eye on. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines. It's often referred to as the hamburger menu, and it's your gateway to more options within the app. Tap on that icon to reveal a drop-down list of choices, guided by the app's built-in navigation system. As you explore this menu, you'll want to scroll down until you see the Settings option. This part of the app houses important features and preferences, providing you with the tools to manage your account and interactions on eBay. Tap on Settings to dive deeper into your app's framework. Within the Settings menu, look for an option that says Sign Out, or sometimes Log Out. By selecting this, you're essentially telling the eBay app that you want to exit your account on this device. This action won't delete your account. It simply logs you out, so rest assured that all your account information and history remain intact for future use. Once you select Sign Out or Log Out, the app will usually ask you to confirm your choice. This is an important step designed to prevent any accidental logouts which could disrupt your buying or selling activity. So if you're certain that parting from your current session is what you want, go ahead and confirm your decision when prompted. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out of the eBay app on your phone. Now, if you ever need to log back in, just open the app again and input your credentials. This process is equally simple and ensures that your account remains secure when you're not using it. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.